Hello students, my name is Kritika and I am your computer digital mentor. Today we are going to learn about parts of a computer. This is the chapter number 3 of your book Parts of a Computer. So students, before we start our chapter, let's have a quick look on our lesson objectives. Main parts of a computer, function of the main parts of a computer, additional parts of the computer. So now students, we have some warm-up questions. You have to write the answer of this question in the blank. Our first question is, can you name some parts of your body? So students, you have to write your body parts name in the blank. So students, what are our body parts? Nose, eyes, ears. Students, these all are our body parts. You have to write the names of it in the blank. Our second question is, can you name some parts of a computer? So students, you have to write parts of the computer in the given blank. Our third question is, does a computer too have a different body parts? So students, you have to write different body parts of computer in the blank. So students, our first topic is main part of a computer. Like a human being, a computer also has many parts. Each part does a specific task. A computer has 4 main parts and these are monitor, mouse, keyboard and a CPU. So let's know about the main parts of our computer. So students, now you can see a picture here. In this we can see 4 main body parts of a computer: CPU, monitor, mouse and a keyboard. So students, let's now learn about function of the main part of a computer. First is monitor. This is a monitor. It's look like a television. It displays everything that we do on the computer. We can watch movies, play games and read text on the monitor. So students, here you can see a picture of a monitor. So students, this is the CPU box. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is the most important part of a computer. It has on and off button and also called the power buttons. So students, here you can see a picture of a CPU box. All the parts of the computer are connected to the CPU box with the help of wires. So students, now let's know an interesting fact. CPU is called the brain of a computer. So students, now we have a keyboard. This is a keyboard. It has several small buttons called keys. Each key has a number, letter or a word written on it. It is used to type numbers and letters into the computer. So students, now we have a mouse. This is a computer mouse. It's look like a real mouse. It's point to object on the monitor and always kept on the right side of a computer. The mouse usually has 2 or 3 buttons and a small wheel between the buttons. It is used for selecting the object, drawing pictures and playing games. So students, our next topic is standard computer system. All the parts that we have learned about make up the standard computer system. They all are connected with wires. The computer cannot work properly in the absence of even one part. So students, let us know the fact. The mouse is always kept on a soft pad. This pad is called a mouse pad. So students, let's learn about some additional parts of a computer. First one is, a printer is used to take printouts on a paper. Printout on a paper is called a hard copy. Now we have speakers. Speakers are used to hear songs on a computer. They come in pairs. They are connected to the CPU through a cable. Now we have a scanner. A scanner is a machine that can read the text or picture printed on a paper and store them into the computer. Now students, we have a joystick. Joystick is used to play computer games. With the help of the joystick, we can move around the items on a screen. Now student, we have a hard disk. Hard disk is the main storage device of the computer, which is located inside the system unit. Every work performed on computer by default gets stored in the hard disk. Students, now we have a microphone. Microphone is used to record our voice in the computer. They are used in many applications such as telephone, learning aids, public address systems and many more. So students, now we have a pen drive. Pen drive is the most popular storage device. It is very small in shape and can be carried easily. we can copy or transfer our song, videos, files, etc. from one computer to another computer by using a pen drive. Students, now we have UPS. UPS stands for uninterruptible power supply. UPS is a machine that is connected to the main power supply. The computer is then connected to the UPS. Students, now we have CD and DVDs. CD and DVDs are round in shape. They are used to store the work that we have done on the computer. We can also play music, watch a movie on the computer by inserting CD or a DVD in the disk drive. Students, now we have headphones. Headphones are worn on the head. Headphones are a pair of small speakers. We can listen to music or songs without disturbing others using headphones. So students, now we have a class activity. Join the dots to form the CPU and write its full form. So students, here you can see a picture of a CPU. You have to join the dots and make a CPU, and you have to write the full form of the CPU in the given blank. So students, what we have learned in this chapter, let's have a look at the key points. There are 4 main parts of a computer is monitor, mouse, keyboard and CPU. A monitor displays everything that we do on the computer. The mouse points to specific things on the monitor. A keyboard is used to type on the monitor. CPU is brain of the computer. Printer, speakers, microphone, UPS, headphones, CD and DVD and scanner are the other additional parts of the computer. So students,